the type of person na mahilig sa numbers, or meron kayong accounting or bookkeeping background, you've taken that course nung college, or yun yung role na ginagawa nyo sa corporate job nyo ngayon, then this video is for you. For today, pag-usapan natin yung bookkeeping course namin. We don't call it bookkeeping. We call it Financial Virtual Assistant. There are different roles that you can do na iisa pa rin naman halos yung ginagawa. So, you could be helping someone na accountant sa US. You could be the main person ng isang company na nag-handle ng accounting or bookkeeping. So, there are different roles that you can offer as a Financial Virtual Assistant. Again, it may include accounting, assisting accountants, or assisting accounting firms, or ikaw yung bookkeeper ng isang malaking kumpanya, or ikaw yung mag-a-assist sa bookkeeper ng isang malaking kumpanya. All of this will be tapped sa ating Level 2 class, Financial Virtual Assistant, this coming Saturday, 1 till 9 p.m. Opo, 8 hours po yung class. Dire-diretso po siya. Pero may break naman syempre. Huwag naman kayong matakot na 8 hours siya. Maraming madidiscuss dito, including bookkeeping system, categorizing transactions, syempre sumilip ako ng kodigo. Generating financial reports, meron tayong mga course materials like the participant workbook, may slide deck, may handouts, ang dami. Okay, so eto, may Q&A so hour 5. Tinignan ko talaga yung course outline. Basically, mabibigyan din kayo ng additional resources like the bookkeeping software, online bookkeeping courses, bookkeeping tutorials, small business accounting resources, and all that stuff. This webinar course will provide participants with the essential knowledge and skills that they need to start bookkeeping for your own business or for your client's business. So, yun yung mga coverage and more. I will ask Coach Ladi to provide me more details and then ilalagay ko na lang. But if you guys are interested to join the Financial Virtual Assistant class, this coming Saturday, magko-close na siya tomorrow. So mag-enroll na kayo. It's only 499 pesos. Reminder, dito yung last na level 2 class. Kasi magle-level 3 na siya by next month, meaning 999 na siya. Magkakaroon na siya ng internship and all. Ito yung batch na mag-EL3 pero 499 pa lang yung class. I hope, if that even makes sense. Anyway, if you guys want to enroll, just click the link in my bio. Click on Financial VA. Nandiyan na yung presyo, 499. Pag-click nyo yung niche na to, makikita nyo na doon yung detalye sa kung ano, kung paano mag-enroll, ano yung mga inclusion, ano yung step-by-step process namin when it comes to our training for level 2. And dyan nyo na rin nilalagay yung pangalan ninyo, detalye ninyo, at saka yung inyong proof of payment. And pag-click nyo ng submit, you guys will receive a calendar invite early on Saturday for the Saturday class. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home. Chismis. Bye.